Welcome back, viewers. My name is Christian Obodo. In this video, we are going to focus on solving simple equations. If that is what you are interested to learn, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video. Today on simple equation, an equation is a mathematical statement that shows an equality between two expressions. Every equation has left-hand side and right-hand side. Example, 3x is equals to 18. How do you solve this? 3x is equals to 18. You can see the equal sign is what is separating both of them. The only thing you need to do here is you divide both sides by 3 so that x can be alone. 3x is equals to 18. So when you do that, 3 will cancel 3, remaining x. And 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6. So 6 is our answer. Example 2. How would you solve this? 3x plus 4 is equals to 19. Collect like terms. 3x is equals to 19 plus 4 moves to the right hand side, it becomes negative. So we have 19 minus 4. 3x is equals to 19 minus 4 will give us 15. Divide both sides by 3 so that x can be alone. And when you do that, 3x is equals to 15 over 3 over 3. Therefore, x is equals to 5. How would you solve this? X plus 8 equals to 12. X is equals to 12 minus 8. Therefore, x is equals to 4. How would you solve this? In this case, there is bracket. 2 into bracket, y minus 1 is equals to 6. The first thing is to remove the bracket by opening it with 2. So we have 2y is equals to 6 plus 2. So 2y is equals to 8. Divide both sides by 2. Therefore, y is equals to 4. Let's see more examples. How would you solve this? 6x plus 9 is equals to 3x minus 54. Collect like terms. 6x minus 3x, because it's moving to the other side, is equals to minus 54. Then plus 9 moves to the other side, it becomes negative. So we have 6x minus 3x is equals to 3x equals to minus 54 minus 9. And that will give us minus 63. What do we do next? Divide both sides by 3 so that x can be alone. That is what we are solving for. X is equals to minus 21. The negative is very important. How do you solve this? 2x minus 1 over 3 minus 3x minus 1 over 4 equals to 1. The first thing is to find the LCM of 3 and 4, which gives us 12. 3 in 12, and that will give us 4. You use that 4 to multiply 2x minus 1. It's important you put them in the bracket. 4 into 12, that will give us 3. Then use it to multiply 3x minus 1 equals to 1. Then let's remove bracket. We have 8x minus 4, then minus 9 x. Minus times minus, that will give us plus. Then 3 times 1, and that is 3. Don't forget your LCM, which is 12, equals to 1. And we need to collect like terms. 8x minus 9x, and that will give us minus 1x. Minus 4 plus 3, that will give us minus 1 over 12, which is our LCM, equals to 1. Since this is in fraction, let's also make the other side to be in fraction form. Then the next thing is to cross multiply. So minus 1x minus 1 is equals to 1 times 12, and that will give us 12. So minus 1x is equals to 12 plus 1. Because once negative 1 goes to the other side, it becomes positive. So minus 1x is equals to 13. What do we do next? We divide both sides by minus 1. Because there is difference between negative x and positive x. What we expected to solve for is positive x. So that's why we're dividing both sides by minus 1. So negative 1 cancel negative 1. That gives us x equals to minus 13. How do you solve this? 7 plus 2x over 3 equals to 9x minus 1 over 7. Equal sign is separating both fraction. The next thing is to cross multiply. So let me write it again. 7 plus 2x over 3 equals to 9x minus 1 over 7. So when we cross multiply, we use 7 to multiply 7 plus 2x. Then we use 3 to multiply 9x minus 1. That's what you can see there. So 7 times 7, 49, plus 7 times 2x, 14x, equals to 27x minus 3. So we'll collect like terms. 49 plus 3 equals to 27x minus 14x. 49 plus 3, that gives us 52, then it equals to 27x minus 14x, and that will give us 13x. The next thing is to divide both sides by 13, and 52 over 13, that gives us 4, equals to x, because 13 will cancel 13. Therefore, x is equals to 4. Thank you for watching.